Hey everybody, I am posting this video for you because I'm a little concerned with people aren't getting their assignments turned in, and so I just want to go over in case there's a misunderstanding. So I'm just going to go to the modules, and so for last week we had two forums. So we had this forum, Talk About Yourself. So I stretched the due date on this out because sometimes people add late and things. But if you are in the class, you should have posted by this time to this Talk About Yourself forum. All you got to do is just post a little bio. And it'd be really nice if you would respond to other people's bios too, and it's a good way to try to start getting to know your fellow students. Alright, and then also in week 1 we had a forum for the week which was called Learning Theory for the 21st Century. And so I put this direction in the beginning of each forum, even though it's in the syllabus. So every week we have a forum, and the first post to the forum is always due by Wednesday at midnight of that week. And then you have to reply to 2 of your fellow students, but you have until Sunday technically to do this. However, please don't wait till Sunday, because that means that you're not really participating in a conversation that's ongoing during the week. So anyway, I've given you some content here, and a lot of you have already done this assignment, but some of you have not. So also for week 1, sorry, this just reloads itself every time. There was a research assignment, but as you see, it's exactly the same thing that you're posting to the forum. So if you do one, you've done both, basically. And I gave you some content, and there is a rubric here to give you an idea if you're wondering. Alright, so that's last week. So all that stuff's past due. The good news is I do not penalize anybody for late assignments. I just accept them, but can't give you points if you don't turn in your assignment. Alright, so let me just collapse this down. Alright, so this is week 2, which we're on now, which is about course design and student-centered learning. If you go down here, you can see that the forum for this week is called A Student-Centered Approach, and the first post to this forum is due Wednesday at midnight, so that's tomorrow. And same thing, it's always the same, nothing will change in terms of how the forum works ever. It's always the same every week. Here's some content for you to read. And the good news is, that if you go here to the assignment, it's actually whatever it is that you wrote up and posted in the forum, that's exactly the same thing you're going to post here to the assignment, which is that you're creating a student-centered assignment that you would actually use in your class. And it doesn't have to be super detailed or anything, but I do want you to start thinking about this, and how would you make an assignment student-centered. And one thing you can do, and that people have done in the past, is take an assignment you're already using that isn't particularly student-centered, and how would you change that to be more student-centered. So that's a good way to approach this also. So basically, whatever you come up with here, that's what you're going to be posting in the forum. And also, though, don't forget that you need to reply to 2 of your fellow students. Okay, so look at what other people's ideas are, and comment on them in a constructive way. Okay? This, like I said, this isn't due. The first post isn't due until tomorrow at midnight. But why wait if you can get on this now before those of you that celebrate Christmas, uh, all that starts up on Thursday, I guess. Then why not just do it now, knock it out, and you'll be done. You'll have nothing to worry about, and you can focus on all the fun stuff that happens during the holidays. Okay? Alrighty. Get to work, please.